transmission. So what you working on?
Oh yeah! Yeah, I scratched my head for the 50th time. It's awesome. Makes me happy. Changing the front band on a 48 RE transmission with a slip-in band. Yeah, they suck. Okay? I can tell you what I'm not doing again. Changing the front band on a 48 RE transmission. Love the truck. Hate the band. The band's kicked my butt. I've had the transmission almost completely out. Valve body upgrade, super servo, front band, new front band, rear band adjustment. I had to get the snap ring replaced in the overdrive section because those break all the time. Sucky job. Sucks. Let me tell you what. Not happening again. This will be the last time that I'm into this.
So what is this part?
That's a direct drum. Pieces of the transmission, pal. Pieces of the transmission that are not fun to work on. So now I'm adjusting the band. There's a procedure for doing that as well. You might want to look that up. It's pretty easy, actually. You just tighten down the adjusting screw to 72 inch-pounds and back off about a 1 3/4 turns for the diesel truck and tighten the jam
What's
knot.
that red spot?
That's transmission fluid, pal.
Oh, jeez.
So I'm in the process of adjusting the band right now. Just got to get the right socket to do it, and it's been a battle, so a little frustrating.
Rusty truck.
Not rusty. Truck is in awesome shape. Love it! Okay, well, shut her down.